Good evening, and thank you very much for joining us. Seniors care is in the spotlight again. Hundreds of residents made their way to the Legacy Center last night to discuss the state of seniors care in the border city. A local group has been advocating for years to increase the number of beds in our region and to put a plan in place for the future. Kelsey Bloxham has the story.
The future of the older wings at the Dr. Cook is an ongoing issue for the community. While the demolition slated for next year has been on hold since March, many are frustrated with the fight.
We need more beds in Lloydminster for health care, particularly seniors care, assisted living, and there's also plenty of room for palliative care beds.
In Alberta, there are some 14,000 long-term care beds, a number steady for the past 20 years.
Alberta has been not investing in our seniors care, even though our population is growing and our seniors population is growing in particular. And that's going to lead to a crisis.
The situation in Lloydminster is similar. In 1995, cuts were made, and according to the Concerned Citizens Group, today there are fewer beds than there were 17 years ago. Multiple speakers took to the mic, all echoing the same message.
There hasn't been a definitive study that says that this building should be demolished.
With a little conversion, we could come out of there with at least 20 very nice beds, 20 very nice rooms for extended care patients, or perhaps a combination of assisted living and extended care.
The audience was encouraged to share their stories and challenge the government. MLA Richard Starkey sat and listened as people told their heart-wrenching stories.
There are situations where the healthcare system has failed people. Those are very, very difficult, incidents to hear.
Starkey says he will be bringing Alberta's health minister to tour the facility, but with the government heading into full session next week, there is no word on when that may happen. Kelsey Bloxham, Newcap News.